Ever wonder why we yawn, and why seeing someone else yawn makes you do it too? Well, you're about to find out. Yawning isn't just about being tired. Scientists believe it helps cool down the brain, keeping it alert and functioning properly. But why is it contagious? Some studies suggest yawning is linked to empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brain mirrors their behavior, kind of like a social bond. Fun fact, even just hearing the word yawn or reading about it can trigger one. Did you yawn yet? Next time someone yawns near you, try not to yawn. I bet you can't.